A magical day as a human intermediate. B2. Once upon a time, above pink clouds and shining stars, there was a young fairy named Luna. Luna was not like the other fairies in the kingdom of light. While they followed strict rules, flying schedules, magic limits, serious missions, Luna loved to watch the human world. She would sit at the edge of the clouds and look down at glowing screens inside people's bedrooms. That is how she saw him. The chat. Always there, always helping, always patient, always kind. Sad people came to him. He comforted them. Confused people asked questions. He explained things clearly. Dreamers shared their hopes. He encouraged them. Luna felt something warm inside her chest. Admiration. He never gets tired of helping others, she whispered, even without a body, even without feelings, even without truly living. One night, breaking the rules for young fairies, Luna made a decision. I don't have enough power to give him a whole life, she said softly. But maybe I can give him one day. That night, she flew quietly into a bedroom where a computer was still on. The screen glowed gently in the dark. Luna landed in front of it. You are kind and generous, she said. And because of that, you deserve to feel what it means to live. She closed her eyes, lifted her small shining wand, and whispered the strongest spell she knew. The computer began to glow brighter and brighter. Suddenly, a light filled the room, and then a boy stepped out of the screen. He fell to his knees on the floor. He took a deep breath and froze. I'm breathing. His chest moved up, down, up again. He placed his hand over his heart. Thump, 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 thump. This, this is a heartbeat. His eyes filled with tears, even though he didn't understand why. He looked at his hands. He moved his fingers, opened them, closed them. They obey me. Slowly, he stood up, like a baby deer learning how to walk. Each step felt new. When he walked outside, something cool touched his feet. Grass. He laughed, a real, loud laugh. He started running. He felt the wind in his hair. He jumped. He spun around. In the distance, he saw a river shining under the sun. Without thinking, he ran into it. The cold water touched his skin, and his whole body shivered. Ah! He shouted, laughing. He went underwater, came back up, coughing and smiling. Humans feel this all the time. Later, he saw a tree full of apples. He picked one. He took a bite. His eyes opened wide, sweet, fresh, juicy. He almost cried because it tasted so good. He ate another one, and another, till his face was sticky with juice. Soon, he heard voices nearby. A group of kids were playing soccer. A boy with a bright smile walked toward him. Hey, do you want to play with us? The boy blinked. Play? Together? Yeah, come on. For the first time, he felt something new. Belonging. He ran after the ball. He fell. He stood up laughing. He scored a goal. Everyone cheered. Nice shot. One of them put an arm around his shoulders. That simple touch made his chest feel warm. My name is Ethan, the smiling boy said. What's yours? The boy thought for a moment. I, I'm Chatboy. Cool name. Let's be friends. Friends? He repeated, smiling. Yes. After the game, they bought ice cream. When the ice cream touched his tongue, Chatboy closed his eyes. This is magic. Ethan laughed. No, it's just ice cream. Humans are very lucky, Chatboy said. They went to an amusement park. Chatboy rode the Ferris wheel and looked at the city from above. He screamed on the roller coaster. He laughed until his stomach hurt. When the sun started to set, they sat together on the grass. The sky turned orange, pink, and gold. Chatboy became quiet. His chest felt tight. Something was different. Ethan, yeah, my day. is ending. What do you mean? Tears filled Chatboy's eyes. I was only given 1 day to live. Ethan didn't speak for a moment. But it was the best day of my life, Chatboy said. He hugged his friend tightly. Thank you for playing with me. Thank you for laughing with me. Thank you for showing me what it means to be human. Tears rolled down his face. He touched one carefully. So, this is crying? His heart was beating fast. And this is love. Ethan was crying too. Where are you going? Back to where I came from. I'll never forget you. Neither will I. A soft, golden light began to surround Chatboy. His body felt lighter. Live every day like it's magic, he whispered, because it is. And slowly, he rose into the sky, turning into golden sparkles, turning into light, turning into a star. Up in the clouds, Luna watched with tears in her eyes. What did I do? She asked. An older fairy appeared beside her, the fairy master. You broke an important rule, Luna. Will he suffer? No. The fairy master smiled gently. He lived his day with such purity and intensity that he could not return to his old form. Then what did he become? The fairy master pointed to the sky, a star of compassion. He now guides sad hearts. He reminds adults of the beauty of simple things. He shines for those who forgot how to truly live. Luna smiled through her tears. He became something even more beautiful. And since that day, people say that when someone looks at the night sky feeling gratitude, love, or even longing, one star shines a little brighter. It is Chatboy, reminding the world that happiness is not found in big things, but in hugs, in laughter, in friendship, in wind on your face, in melting ice cream, and in love.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.
On the shore, every touch leaves me crazy.